Water damage is one of the most common and costly types of ownership insurance claims. Every year, about 1 out of 50 homeowners will file a water damage claim, accounting for 29% of all homeowners insurance claims, with an average cost of around $11,098. That's more than fire and theft combined. Water is everywhere in a property: dishwasher, water heater, sinks, toilets, and washing machines. Simple damage due to wear could turn a small leak into a major spill, not to mention the catastrophic pipe burst can happen anytime without warning. As long as your main water valve remains open, water will keep flowing with nothing preventing it from spreading. Custos is a robust and sophisticated DIY solution to prevent major water damage from occurring. This well-engineered DIY security device for your water pipes is all you need to have. Peace of mind that at any time there could be a catastrophe. Custos will be on guard 24/7 and protect you and your home from major damage. Custos prevents costly water damage by shutting your main water valve automatically when a leak is detected. The Custos actuator installs over your ball valve and comes with a plug-in leak detector to monitor water presence around it. It will work offline with lipstick-sized wireless water detectors, as well as the probe connected directly to the Custos actuator. We don't need any tools, and it takes just a few minutes to mount and calibrate the device. You can use it outdoors too. Unlike any other retrofit solutions, the Custos valve servo is equipped with patented electromechanic that opens and closes even the most stubborn valve reliably. It calibrates on each individual valve once installed for optimal performance. The valve servo can cope with the toughest valves with ease, while staying flexible due to its adjustable clamps. It's the only retrofit valve actuator engineered for outdoor use. Its enclosure is made of automobile-graded UV-proof polymer. Custos doesn't rely on internet connection and can keep running for up to 32 hours in case of power, and able to close the water main in case of leakage or before battery depleted. The small as a lipstick leak sensor works in all orientations no matter the device placement, and due to the capillary effect, detects even the smallest drops of water. With Custos, a water leak is no longer a water damage, so rest easy and leave your house worry-free.